In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch spotted bass at Lone Star Lake in Fishing Planet. It's actually pretty simple, but there are a few important details you need to pay attention to. First, you need to understand where spotted bass are most commonly found in Lone Star Lake. Let me show you the map. As you can see, there are three main spawn points where players can start. From there, we have three key fishing spots. Starting with the top area, this is the deepest part of the map, and it's one of the best places to catch spotted bass. However, it's also a bit harder because you need to cast very precisely into the deeper section. If you miss slightly, your chances drop a lot. Now, the middle area. This is, in my opinion, the easiest spot. It's also deep, but much more forgiving. Even if your cast isn't perfect, you'll still have a good chance of catching fish here. And finally, the far end of the map. This area also produces a good amount of spotted bass, although I personally don't fish there as often. So, if you want the best chances, focus on these three locations. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where they are once we're in the game. The second thing you need to understand is the weather and time conditions. From my experience, the best time to catch spotted bass is on sunny days. Early morning, between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m., works really well. Then, again, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., you can get great results. The second best condition is fully cloudy weather, where you can catch fish consistently throughout the day. Now let's jump into the game and take a look at the setup I use. Starting with natural bait. Honestly, almost any rod will work, since spotted bass aren't very heavy. They usually weigh up to about 1 kilogram. For lures, I highly recommend using a bass jig. You can find it in the shop under Lures. Just search for bass, and you'll see the available options. I personally use a 7-gram bass jig with a number 2 hook, and it works great. For natural bait, the best option is small minnows. You can also use shiners or leeches, but those usually require a higher level, so if you're just starting out, go with small minnows. I recommend using a number 4 hook with a 15-gram sinker. My setup is an all-around 390 rod, a windcast 1500 reel, and a .12 millimeter braided line. But honestly, the most important things are the hook size and the bait. The rest is flexible. Now let's head to Lone Star Lake. There are 3 spawn locations, and I usually choose this one here. Once you're in, press M to open the map. You'll see the same 3 T areas I showed earlier. You can also place a marker by clicking the plus icon and selecting your spot. That marker will appear in the game, helping you aim more accurately. For the deeper area, aim toward the marker near the green buoy. For the middle spot, this one's super easy. Just walk forward from spawn, find that large tree ahead, aim toward that, and cast around that area. That should put you right where you need to be. To adjust the time, just press T. This will open a menu where you can fast forward time or skip to the next day. I prefer to fish spotted bass on sunny days. I usually like to start fishing around 11 a.m., but you should always pay attention to this activity graph. The higher the graph, the better your chances of catching fish. What I like to do is start a little before the peak so I can take advantage of the entire rising activity period. That's why I typically begin around 11 a.m. Once you're ready, just click Forward Time, and you'll be set to fish under ideal conditions. For lure fishing, use a simple stop-and-go retrieve. Reel in a bit, pause, reel in again, pause, and repeat. Eventually, the fish will strike. For natural bait, just cast into the right spot and wait. And that's it. That's how you catch spotted bass at Lone Star Lake in Fishing Planet. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now I'm going to wait for a bite, and to finish the video, I'll show you myself catching a spotted bass right here, just to prove that this method really works.